Good morning, students. Today we will start Unit 6, and the name of this unit is Database Development. So, what is database development? Database application development is process of obtaining real-world requirements and analyzing the requirement, designing the data and function of a system, and then implementing the operations in the system. So what is DBMS? DBMS means Database Management System. DBMS management software primarily function as an interface between the end user and the database, managing the data, the database engine. Next is, and we can also say a database is a collection of data records, files, and other objects. Data can be organized into two types. First is flat files and second is rational. The flat files data is in this data is stored in a single table, usually suitable for the less amount of the data. Next is rational. It data is stored in multiple tables and the tables are linked using a common field, and it is suitable for the medium to large amount of data. What is the difference between both? In the flat files means single table and suitable for the less amount of data. The second is rational, is stored in multiple tables and suitable for medium to large amount of data. And what is the advantages of the DBMS? Means sharing the data, secure the data, and is confidential. We can save our data. And there are some drawback of DBMS. First is initially training required for all the programs and the user, and DBMS systems are difficult, complex, and time consuming to design for the unskilled person. Those persons have no knowledge regarding this. Next is, what is RDBMS? So first of all, what do you mean by RDBMS? What RDMS means? Rational Database Management System, right? Next, it is a type of DBMS software which uses rational model for its database. In this model, all the data is stored in structured tabular format. And what is tabular format? A tabular form enables user to update the multiple rows in a table at once from a single page, and you can use the tabular form wizard to create a tabular form that contain a built-in multiple row update process, right? Next is, the rational structures makes it possible to run the queries across the multiple tables at once. Next is data concept. A data concept. A data, as a name imply, is based of collection of data. A data in a database is organized in such a way that information within the database can easily reestablish and modify. And the data should be accurate, private, and protected from damage. So first is, we will discuss the data items. A database primarily contains information about a data. For example, a school database would contain information about the student. Here, the student is the data item, and the database will store the detail of data items about the student. If we create one table in which we can give the information regarding the student, then this data is about the student. Now next is field. A field in a record that hold the unique data which identify the record from all the other records in a file or database. In the field, we can is one more thing is key field. Key field means specials for account number, product code, and customer name are means these such kinds of these things we can call the key field, especially like count number, product code, and the customer name. Next is records. A record is a set of information to a data item. For example, when we enter data for all the fields such as roll number, name and marks for a student, it creates a new record. Right? Then record means a record is a set of information to a data item. For example, when we enter a data to all the fields such as roll number, name and marks for a student, it creates a new record. Next is value or a data. A value is a set of character, text or numeric that we put in while adding information to your database. For example, the numbers and the Anki, the name is mean text and the data values for specific field of the table. Next is tables. When we put all information like field, records and values together, it forms a table in a database. Tables are the building blocks of a database. They store a complete data in a structured manner. Tables store data in the form of rows and columns. Every table has a large number of columns, but it can also have a large number of rows. What is database? A database can have one or many tables. It is basically a container that holds the tables and other objects and manage how they can be used. When creating a database, an important feature is record uniqueness in every table. It is important to expect to able to difference between the different items have a duplicate values. Uniqueness helps to avoid the accidental duplicates of records caused by a user or a computer error. By having a unique value associated with each record, individual record or can be selected, updated or deleted. In a database, one of the field can be identified as a key field. You know what is key field? Key field means like a account number, product code and customer name. Sometimes the data may not have this kind of natural key. In this key, so we can use column will be added to a table. Next is we can add, suppose we can draw one table in which we can fill the name and the subject of that person.